This video is not a joke and it's not for everyone, because this video is about a place far away from us called the Suicide Forest. This is a forest in Japan near Mount Fuji that has become a place where people go to end their lives. I went to visit the Suicide Forest out of curiosity, and I didn't expect it to be this sad. The forest is very dense. It is full of trees, and between them, phone reception is almost non-existent and light can barely get in. Walking around the forest was scary because on the ground you'll notice a lot of white strings, and there's a sad reason for them. When people go to the forest to end their lives, they put a string around a tree and drag it as a way to guide them back to safety if they change their mind, but oftentimes they don't. They enter the forest and never leave. Things have gotten so bad in this forest that police put up signs asking people to seek help and reconsider. I spent 2 hours in this forest and I couldn't wait to leave. Because suicide is a hard topic. In my culture, we don't talk enough about it. So we assume it doesn't exist. We assume it won't happen to us or to our friends. So when I left the forest, I tried to forget about it. I went around Japan and had a lot of fun.
Hello from Japan!
I was happy again, only to realize that I shouldn't be. On the same trip, Aline and I made a new friend. He was a generous, kind soul, and we both enjoyed hanging out with him. But 1 year later, we checked on him again and learned that he took his life away. He committed suicide. And immediately, the suicide forest flashed in my head. All of a sudden, it became more than just a forest. It resembled something far bigger and far more dangerous. That some people are so troubled that suicide becomes their ultimate escape. In a forest, on a rooftop, or in their homes, like the case of my friend. This is why talking to your friends is important, checking in is important, and discussing suicide openly is important so we can end it. I hate this forest because it exists, and I hope that one day, we don't have to call this place a suicide forest. We just call it for what it should be, a beautiful green forest. See you next week.